Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Binance for Beginners. In this episode I'll be showing you Binance Earn. There is a link to the description to Binance Earn, but if you just enter through the main website of Binance, you can go into Earn right here, and then Binance Earn, this tab right here. Now Binance Earn is essentially a way for you to make profits off of cryptocurrencies, whether the market is going up or down. There are 4 types of Binance Earn products, which are savings, as you can see right here, staking, farming, and dual investment. Binance Earn products such as savings or staking are very similar to a traditional savings bank account, where you can put in a certain amount of cryptocurrency and over time, depending on whether you're locking it in or if it's flexible savings, you will gain interest on it. Now, farming and dual investment are a little bit more complicated, but I will make a video for each of these 4 products respectively. Right now, Binance Earn supports over 60 cryptocurrencies in at least one of these products, as well as dozens of digital assets and stablecoins. So if you're a beginner, for example, and aren't a very active trader and just prefer to hold it or hodl it, or you're a beginner and don't maybe want to be an active trader yet, then this is a very great way for you to earn some interest on the cryptocurrencies that you hold. And that pretty much does it for this video. As I said before, I will be explaining all 4 of these products in future videos respectively for each one of the products. I hope you enjoyed. Go down in the description and join Binance now if you want to start trading. Like, share and subscribe to become a part of the revolution today, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.